Just wanna see the light.
Hello, welcome to Code Flow. In our previous video we received player's input while pressing enter key, which we will use as the guess made by the player. When we play our game, we get two output. Welcome to Number Wizard, and choose your level. This information is displayed once while our game is start, because we have written it inside start method. We have provided information to player to choose the game level, by pressing keys 1, 2, and 3. When I press 1, nothing happens. Why? It's because, currently I am selection console window. A blue line is highlighting the console. So to play the game we must select game view, from here. Now it is selected, and when I press 1 then you have selected easy level, and 4 is shown in the console. It is because we have checked the keys pressed by player, and if they press 1 then, information of level selection for easy level is written here. And we also calculate a random number for that level and displayed it. Again, if I pressed 2 and 3 at the same time, then both the level and their random number are displayed at the same time. It is not what we wanted. We cannot select 2 level and play at the same time. It is because we are using simple if statement, and we are not changing our game state. If statement will perform its task if the condition is true. If we press 2 or 3 key at the same time, like 1, 2, and 3 at the same time, then the condition of if statement while pressing 1, 2, and 3 all will be true. So code inside all if statement will executed. Now we will make only one if statement will run at one time. That means if the first if statement is true the other if statements are not checked. And if first one is false, then only the second will checked, and so on. For this we will use else if statement, like this. And we also have to change our game state. Let's have a quick look on game state and enumeration. Game state is the sequence of states in any game, where each state is characterized by a combination of visual, audio or text. From start to end while playing games, we enter to main menu, choose our level, play the game, and we either win or lose. So these are the game states. Look at this game diagram for our game. While player play the game, at first main menu should be displayed. In the main menu player will choose the level, and proceed to next game state. That is in our case in game state, where player will play the game. And at last if player win the game win screen state is shown, in case of fail to win, defeat screen state is shown, and we will return back to main menu. So when player is in one game state, he can't do the stuff of another game state. That means while player is in main menu, he can't be at a win screen in the same time. In this way, we will make our game flow. We will do this by using enumeration type. In C#, enumeration is a value type data type. The enumeration is used to declare a list of named integer constants. It can be defined using the enum keyword directly inside a namespace, class, or structure. The enum is used to give a name to each constant so that the constant integer can be referred using its name. I will quick set up an example to demonstrate how we can use enumeration. We can declare enum type variable, in this case days is a enum type, and it has some definitions or values of days inside it. For now I will use only 3 days, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, which are the values of enum type days. We will also create a variable named today of type days, which can use the values only inside the days. Let us set a default day for today to Monday. Now we can show the value of today in console, like this. When we run our game, we get the value of today, which is set as the default value. It's challenge time. Declare an enumeration type for our game state, and use it to change our current game state in different places. Also restrict to execute the code of main menu while game state is in game. Pause the video now, and try solving yourselves. Welcome back. We will start by creating enumeration type game state as our game state. And we will have 4 game state inside it. Main menu state. In-game state. Win screen state. And defeat screen state. We will also create current state variable of type game state, to save the current state of our game. by default our current state of game will be main menu. Now this if statements while pressing key 1, 2, and 3 are the perform in main menu. So we will execute these code if our current game state is main menu. Like this, if current state is game state.main menu, then the code of main menu is run. When player choose any of the level from here, then game is started to play. So we will move to in-game state. Therefore we will change current state to in-game state in each of these level. And the code below this will run when player is playing a game. So it should be run only when current state is in-game state. Like this. And finally this two game state main menu state and in-game state can't run at the same time. So we will restrict it by using else in if statement. Now save the game and play. When we start playing game, by default our game state is in main menu state. So it is displaying the main menu content. If choose a easy level by pressing 1, then game state is changed to in-game state, so we can input our guess. Fantastic. How do you guys get on? If you have any problem in this video then comment below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos.